In front of me is Realme C65 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on those three dots at the top right corner to hit settings. Then manage all of those and go back to start recording thanks to this red button. Hit allow, and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo mark, on the right one. Then take a pic. To discard it, select this X, and to add it, this check mark. To delete your recording right away, you can click on Cancel at the top left corner and choose Don't Save. To end it and save it though, choose Save at the top right one and name it. Then hit Save again. Now to play it, click on it, and to manage it, use all of those options. You can also go back, hold it, and use all of those, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!